friends. Let's count 5 little ducks with Leo Bunny. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 little ducks went out to play over the sweet candy hills far away. Leo the bunny said, let's count to 5, watching the little ducks splash and dive. Mama duck called with a happy sound, quack, 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 look who's around. But only 4 little ducks were found. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little ducks waddled down the track, wearing cute shoes and a red backpack. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. Oh no! 1, 2, 3. 3 little ducks waddled near the tree, happy and smiling as cute as can be. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. Where did they go? 1, 2. 2 little ducks playing in the sun, having so much colorful toy world fun. Mama duck called, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. Just 1 left. 1 little duck with bright blue boots, eating sweet candy and sugary fruits. Mama duck called, quack, 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 and no little ducks came waddling back. Leo Bunny gave a big warm hug. Mama duck quacked loud, cozy and snug. Quack, 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 and all 5 ducks came running to play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yay! 5. Watching the little ducks splash and dive. Mama duck